Good everyone, you're watching Radio Fixes. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to fix File Explorer navigation pane missing in Windows machine. The navigation pane left sidebar with quick access. This PC folders in the File Explorer can disappear due to settings, crashes or updates. Now here are a couple of ways to resolve this issue. Now there might be an instance where you're trying to open File Explorer and the navigation pane on the left hand side would be completely missing. There are a couple of ways to resolve this issue. Now the first method to resolve this issue is to go ahead and toggle the navigation pane, which is the fastest and quickest method. To do this, you will have to click on the view once you have the File Explorer open and then click on show. Under show, you will have to make sure you check the navigation pane option. As soon as you check the navigation pane option, you should be able to see the navigation pane for the File Explorer. Now, in case if you are able to see the File Explorer, well and good, you don't need to try the next step. Now, the next step to resolve this issue is to go ahead and reset File Explorer option. To do this, you will have to click on the three dotted lines at the top right corner and then click on options. Basically, these are the folder option. Once you're on the options, you will have to go ahead and click on view. Under view, you can go ahead and click on restore defaults and then click on reset folders as well. Click on apply and then click on OK. You should be able to see the navigation pane on the left hand side. In case if you're still facing a problem, the next step to resolve this issue is to try the registry fix. You will have to close the File Explorer. Once you close the File Explorer, you will have to open the registry editor. You can do a right click on the start button and then click on run. In the run window, you may go ahead and type regedit and then click on OK. In case if you get a user access control prompt, you may click on yes or continue on the screen. Now, as soon as you have the registry editor open, you will have to navigate to certain registries and make registry changes. While you're making these registry changes, I just want to make sure that you make the correct entries or correct changes in the registry. In case if you make incorrect registry changes, there are chances that your computer may not function properly. So once you have the registry editor open, make sure your registry editor is in this structure. Now, in case if you to bring back the registry editor in this structure, you will have to go and click on the collapse option so that you have the registry editor the way how it displays on the screen. Now, once you're on this option, you will have to go and expand HKey current user by clicking on this arrow, or you can use the right arrow key to expand the HKey current user. Under HKey current user, you will have to go and expand software. Under software, you will have to look for Microsoft. It would be in alphabetical order. Expand Microsoft. Under Microsoft, locate for Windows. Expand Windows. Under Windows, locate for current version. Expand current version. Under this, locate for Explorer. Expand Explorer and then locate for Advanced. Now in this, you will have to select Advanced and on the right hand side, you will have to locate the key called Navigation Pane Width. In case if you are able to locate Navigation Pane Width, you will have to do a right click and change the value to 240. In case if you're not able to locate the Navigation Pane Width, you will have to go ahead and create the DWORD value. Now to create the DWORD value, you will have to do a right click on the empty space on the registry editor, click on new and then choose the option which says DWORD 32-bit. Click on it, give the name as Navigation Pane Width. Make sure it is in this order. There has to be uppercase N, uppercase P and uppercase W without any space. You can copy the name from my video description and hit enter. As soon as you hit enter, you can do a right click, click on modify. Make sure you change the value to 240. Click on OK. Once this is done, you may minimize registry editor, restart File Explorer or close File Explorer and reopen File Explorer. You should be able to see the navigation pane in the File Explorer. Now, in case if you're still having trouble in viewing the navigation pane in the File Explorer, now the last step to resolve this issue is to run the SFC scan on your computer. This is an inbuilt Windows tool which will try to fix the corrupted DLL files. So by running this command, in case if there are any corruption associated with your Windows, it will try to go ahead and fix the problem. To run this command, you will have to open the command prompt. So in the search window, you may go ahead and type command, or you can type cmd. You will see the best match for the command prompt. You can do a right click and then click on run as administrator. In case if you get a user access control prompt, you may click on yes or continue on the screen. On the command prompt, you will have to go ahead and type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter. Wait for the command to execute completely. Once the command is being successfully executed, you may close this window, restart your computer, and then try to open File Explorer, and you should be able to see the navigation pane in your File Explorer. So this is how you can go ahead and fix or restore your navigation pane in your File Explorer. In spite of trying all this step, if you're still facing a problem, I would suggest you to leave me a comment in the comment section so that I can come up with the possible solution. I hope this video was useful. In case if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a great day.